In front of me is a Kazam Tornado 350, and I will show you how to access the factory mode. So we'll need to start off by powering up the phone, so let's do that. Tap on power off, and once more. Wait for the device to turn off. And once it's off, we'll hold volume down and power key. So volume down and power together until you see this logo. You can let go. Wait a moment for it to boot in. And now, as you can see on the top, factory mode. From here you can navigate using the volume keys, so up and down to go up and down, like so. And confirm your selection by pressing the power key. So it's gonna select reboot and confirm it with power key. But as you can see, I have other options here: full test, auto test, test items, and other stuff. So I'm just gonna reboot now, and now it's gonna turn back to normal Android. So this is how you enter the factory mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.